Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get enemy clips for edits. So first of all, what you have to do is open your youtube.com on your browser, and then you have to type in the name of the character of the enemy character. For instance, I will enter the name of Detective Conan, and then you have to give a space, and then you have to type in Twixtor, hit enter, and now you'll land on a new page where you'll be able to see all of the clips of the enemy clips of that specific character. For instance, if I change the name only, for instance, I will type in Goku Twixtor clips, then you will find all the clips of Goku, and you can type any character's name, and that's how you can get enemy clips for edits. Another thing you can do to get the enemy clips, open new tab, you have to go to the website called ringwithtwixtor.com, and here you will see a bunch of enemy clips, and you can also go and search for any enemy character. For instance, if I type Goku, then you will see all of the clips, and that's simply how you can get enemy clips for edits. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.